If your Hisense Android TV's sound's not working, meaning there's no sound through the built-in TV speaker, in some cases, one side not working, or you're losing sound, then instead of worrying, let's try some easy troubleshooting steps that can fix internal speaker issues of your Hisense Android Smart TV. We're going to start things off by making sure that we have turned up the TV volume adequately. The second thing that you should check is whether an external audio device is connected to your Hisense TV. In most of the cases, this can be a Bluetooth earbuds or headphones. And if a Bluetooth device is connected, then your Hisense TV won't play sound through the built-in speaker. So just go to the Bluetooth settings and make sure all the devices are disconnected. After that, your TV speakers should start working again. In your case, if you're getting no sound when you're using an app, then you should also try other apps and see if audio works for that app. Because sometimes it may be a single application that has audio issues. If you're not getting sound anywhere, then let's try cold booting or power cycling our Hisense TV. You'll need to unplug its power cable and wait for around 3 to 5 minutes. And while you're waiting, take that time to remove any HDMI or optical audio devices in case they're plugged into your TV. After that, turn your TV back on, and hopefully you should be able to hear sound through the TV speakers. Still no luck? Then let's try resetting our TV's audio settings by going to the Settings tab, then Device Preferences, scroll down to Sound, then go all the way down to Reset to Default. And this should fix issues like low audio or one side not working. Just press yes, then try playing something on your TV. Now, in case if you're still not getting sound, then your Hisense TV's built-in TV speakers may be damaged, and you can verify that by connecting an external audio device to your TV. And if you can hear sound through the audio device, then you can be sure that it's your TV speaker that needs repair. But in case there's no audio even with an external audio device, then this may be a software issue, and to fix this, you can try hard resetting your Hisense Android TV by going to Device Preferences, About and Reset. But keep in mind, this will erase all your apps and log you out from them, including your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth history. But it's worth a try. And if you don't want to do it, then you can try consulting to Hisense customer support beforehand, and they should be able to assist you with your issue. So these are all the steps you can follow to troubleshoot your Hisense TV's built-in speakers. If this helped, let us know by dropping a like, subscribe, and happy listening.